Yes, sir. What's good, guys? Back here with another YouTube video. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing. I bought new AirPod Pros. This was I'm not gonna say it was an impulsive buy. Let me just tell you guys the story real quick. So basically, I was out of the country for the whole entire winter break. And so when I was flying back, I had come in from Seattle International Airport. I think at my terminal to come back to my city, I accidentally left my AirPods at the terminal because I remember using it near the gate when we were about to board, and then when I got home and I was trying to look for it in my backpack, it wasn't there. So I was just like, I can't go without AirPods. So as soon as I got back to school, I went to the Target, literally like 2 minutes away from my dorm, and now we're here. Let's start unboxing it. I think the difference between the first gens and the second gens, I think the case now has like a speaker where you can like track the actual case, and like when you play a sound on it, the case will start beeping, which is actually pretty cool since like a lot of people lose their AirPods. And then noise canceling on these ones are like 10 times better, which is good. So that should be good. Cool, let's put this aside because I might go back to this and refer back to it later on. I don't think there's stickers in here, bro. Y'all, they didn't put stickers in here. That's crazy. That is foul. How do you not put stickers? Yeah, so these are the AirPods. New features too. So it has a lanyard kind of like connector loop thing to where you can like put like an actual lanyard in it, which is cool, but like I ordered a case anyways. You gotta keep this thing protected. I mean, even though I lost my AirPods, I feel like it was time for a kind of upgrade anyways. The AirPods I had were the first generation AirPods. I've had those since my sophomore year of high school. Wait, no, I've had it since freshman year of high school. And then it's been like 4 or 5 years now. So like the audio quality was going down, the battery was kind of going down. So like it was low-key time for an upgrade anyways. These are the different sized buds that you can use. So we have small, extra small, and large. And this is just, oh, okay, cool. It came with an extra charger, nice. It's a lightning to USB-C connector. Cool, I bet. Okay, bet, I'm gonna keep this in here just in case I need to use it later on. I think it's gonna turn green once I open it. Okay, cool, so, oh wait, did y'all hear that? Okay, right now it's dead, I think. We're gonna connect my AirPods to my phone now. Now we're just gonna open the AirPods. Connect. All right, cool. So once it's connected, it makes a little like click sound, which is actually kind of cool. Okay, so these AirPods actually have a button on the side of them now. So now we can switch between noise canceling and active transparency. It's asking me to scan my personalized spatial audio. I honestly don't know what this does, but if this makes the sound quality better, I'm for it. All right, cool. Let's do a sound test. Whoa. I can't hear anything. Oh my gosh, I haven't even started playing music. This is crazy. I can't. This is crazy. Okay, let's do a sound test. Let's play Free Mind by Thames. Even if it's on low volume, like I still can't hear anything. That's actually so cool. I'm gonna do a test. I'm gonna turn off the noise canceling. This spatial audio thing, it's so cool. So if you put head tracker on, right? If you twist to the right, all of the sound will like come to like, it'll feel like it's just here. It's cool. It's just cool. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on or off. It's just trippy. It doesn't even seem like I have like the AirPods, and it seems like there's a speaker on like my desk, and when I turn to the left, I'm just hearing the speaker. It's so, oh my gosh, okay, yeah, the volume up and down works really well. Wow. I have Beats that that my sister gave me, but honestly, these are gonna be in clutch. Like I might give the Beats back for real. These are gonna come in handy. Like I am not mad with this purchase at all. With these, you can wirelessly charge the case. I don't think I need to switch out the buds for it. I think the buds, as for now, they're pretty good. I'm gonna leave those to charge. Yeah, so the case isn't coming until tomorrow, so I honestly don't know if I'm gonna use it today because I don't want to put the AirPod case in my pocket and then it gets lent and all that. So I don't know if I should wait till tomorrow, but like, we'll see. I don't know. I'm only gonna be stepping out once today since I only have one class in person. So honestly, we'll see. But nah, I'm super glad with this purchase, and I think that's basically the end for today's video. If you guys liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. You know I like doing these unboxings, so if there's anything else you want me to unbox, please let me know. Write it in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.